How to schedule your first web meeting in Zoom with best selling. Scheduling your first web meeting in Zoom is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you schedule a successful web meeting using Zoom. 1. Sign into Zoom. Go to the Zoom website, https://zoom.us, or open the Zoom desktop or mobile app. B. Sign into your Zoom account using your credentials. 2. Schedule a meeting. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Meetings tab in the Zoom dashboard. B. Click on the Schedule a Meeting button. 3. Enter meeting details. Fill in the meeting details, including the meeting topic, description, date, time, and duration. B. Choose the appropriate time zone for your meeting. C. Optionally, enable settings such as requiring a meeting password or enabling waiting room functionality for added security. 4. Invite participants. In the Invitees section, enter the email addresses of the participants you want to invite to the meeting. B. You can also copy the meeting invitation link and share it with participants via email, chat, or calendar invites. 5. Set meeting options. Configure additional meeting options based on your preferences and requirements. B. Options include enabling video and audio for participants upon joining, allowing participants to join before the host, and allowing participants to share their screens. 6. Save and send invitation. Once you've configured the meeting settings, click on the Save or Schedule button to save the meeting. B. An invitation email will be sent to the participants with the meeting details and instructions on how to join. 7. Prepare for the meeting. Before the scheduled meeting time, make sure you're prepared and have everything you need. B. Test your audio and video settings, and familiarize yourself with Zoom's features such as screen sharing, chat, and participant management. 8. Start the meeting. At the scheduled meeting time, open the Zoom app or click on the meeting link in your calendar invitation to join the meeting. B. As the host, you'll have the option to start the meeting and admit participants as they join. 9. Engage participants. Once the meeting has started, engage participants by welcoming them, introducing the agenda, and facilitating discussions. B. Use Zoom's features such as screen sharing, chat, and breakout rooms to enhance collaboration and interaction. 10. End the meeting. When the meeting is complete, click on the End Meeting button to end the session for all participants. B. Optionally, you can choose to leave the meeting open for participants to continue discussions or end it for everyone. By following these steps, you can schedule and host your first web meeting in Zoom successfully. Remember to communicate the meeting details to participants in advance and ensure that you're prepared to facilitate a productive and engaging session.